Hi and welcome back to Metasploit Extreme on Kali Linux. Now there might be various scenarios in the pen testing stuff where you want to sniff out the data, but the important thing aspect here is that you don't want to touch the victim's machine. Now that's if you are going to touch the hard disk of that victim, it's going to be really a different scenario and lots of things might get into the trouble while the investigation. So in this particular video we are going to find out that during our pen testing stuff how we can sniff out the data from the victim's computer. Like for example, someone is trying to log in with the FTP, definitely everything is going to get into the packets and we are going to steal those packets. So I have got already my Windows exploit ready with the MS08067 net API, because since it's a post exploitation section and we are not much worried about whatever the system is, we have already compromised into the system, and after that we are going to try and hit our post exploitation stuff. So everything is ready. Let me set the variable by the commands. I hope that you already know that we are going to set the lhost value. First of all, that would be 192.168.52.159. it is my machine. And also I'm going to set the rhost value, that is victim's computer 168.52.167. Now everything is set, and as I always say, I'll always recommend to hit the show options command so that you can find out if anything is missing out or not. And after that we are going to hit our magical command, that is the exploit one, and within the seconds the vulnerability is trying to trigger on and we got our Metasploit session. Now in order to get the sessions or the packets from the victim machine, the very good feature that is available with the Metasploit is its extension. So just hit the key with the load and press your tab key twice, and in that you will find that after load you can simply write the sniffer. Now these sniffers are really powerful one, although we have got some mixins and plugins out there for the sniffing as well, but I'm quite a fan of this sniffer. So what you can do, you can simply hit a help command and can find out the different options by the sniffer. Here they are: sniffer dump, interface, and everything. And in order to run that sniffer, first of all you need to find out that what is the sniffer, what is the interface on which you can run out your sniffer. So it says on the interface one you have got VMware accelerated AMD PCNet adapter. So that's the only sniffer, that's the only adapter we have got right now, and interface. So let me get on to that. So what you can do after that, you can start your sniffer on one, and you can actually save your files in something like I can save it in the temp slash let's say files.cap. Now everything is going to be saved in the cap files, so that you can simply read out with your favorite sniffer or the packet pcap file reader. It can be anything like a Wireshark or something like that. So it will start capturing interface on it, and after that you can simply dump out the values. So here is a nice command. You can see in the help option that it says dump. So if I dump it right now, 0 packets have been flushed. Let me again start this. This time you notice that we have got one packet is being flooded with the 171. Since no traffic is going out there, so definitely it's not going to be much there. But at the moment when somebody is trying to log in with the FTP or some other HTTP sessions or anything, everything will be, the sniffer will write everything into your favorite pcap file, and you can read it via the Wireshark or any other packet reader which you are quite fond of. So that's all for this video, and one simple exercise for you as well, that try to log in with an FTP, download and install any FTP server for the Windows, try to log in with that and capture the file, and with the Wireshark read out the data if you find some of the login credential or not. So that's all for this video, and thank you so much for watching.